Hello guys, this is Hard Reset. Prime Video giving you trouble, shows more load, or you're stuck with endless buffering. Let's fix it with these steps. So first of all, give Prime Video a quick restart. We're going like this and clicking Prime Video again. If it didn't help you, we're going to the permissions check. So settings, apps, go find Prime Video and allow some permissions like this. And the last one. So go back to the Prime Video, and if it didn't help you, you might need to reinstall for a fresh experience. Let's go to the Play Store, search for the Prime, go uninstall it and install it again. Okay, let's open it. You need to log in and check it out. And even if this didn't help you, you might need to alt-edge check. So we're going to Google and type down detector.com. Okay, we might go like this and choose the Prime Video. It's verifying if I'm human, of course. And there wasn't some issues from 8 o'clock, so this is not the problem. The last option you can choose, it's the check your internet connection. As you can see, I have a good internet connection, and if it's good, just restart your phone, and I hope this will solve your problem. Thank you so much guys. I appreciate for your likes, for your follows, for your watches, and see ya in the next video.